Hello friend, welcome back to the 30-day no film school challenge. Today's video is just going to be a super quick short one from days 9 and 10. For day 9 I had to film some shots using light, anything related to light, and try and tell a story, and then for day 10 I edited that sequence. So this is what I came up with.
Light, it's all around us, in the form of sunsets in the sky, to reflections in a mirror. Light pouring in through a window until it's blocked by a door. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. Sometimes it's the only thing we can see, even if it's artificial, flickering in a dark room, until one day it just goes off.
Alright, so that's it for my super short light sequence, which is actually a light sequence because it's short and light. Do you get it? Should I cut that out? Yeah, I should probably cut it out. Firstly, I have no idea what that weird, whispery, airy-fairy, slightly American accent voice is that I did. For some reason, I always tend to go to these like American accents when I have to do voiceovers, which is not actually that much, so that's okay. I, like most people, hate the sound of my own voice, even though I film and then spend hours listening to my own voice to edit these videos. But never mind, here we are. Secondly, I am actually meant to like reflect on this video and note any mistakes and things like that. So to be honest with you, I wasn't very happy with what I came up with, but I thought it's better just to make something than think about it for days and not end up doing it. So I think if I didn't have the voiceover, it would just be a bunch of random shots and there's not really any story. So I had to do the voiceover to make it make sense. And also I just did it all in my home. In normal circumstances, I would like actually go out and explore and film like, you know, light between the trees and things like that. Also, there were some cuts that were quite sudden or jarring, so I should try and not do that in the future, like smooth the transition or just, you know, not do those cuts at all. If you have any other constructive criticism, don't be mean, please, just leave a comment below and let me know. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below so you can continue following my journey and learning with me. I will be making more videos that hopefully will be better as I continue this challenge and produce more content here on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!